Read and learn, sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's expected learning outcomes. The student is expected to count, identify, and write number 1 in verse. So, first of all, we will clear their concept, how to count the objects. You will display different material on your table and call one by one and ask how many pencils are there, how many erasers are there, how many sharpeners are there, how many doors are there. There is one door. How many fans are there in our classroom? One fan. Okay? After that, we will teach them how to write number 1. Start from the red dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. 1 elephant. 1 elephant. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. 1 elephant. After that, you will ask the riddle that has given over here. You could see, you could read. Okay? And after that, you have to show the story to the students and ask different questions. Now, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.